What's up? Wow, you guys got here quick. Okay, so we are going to put the link to the download in the description, or in the chat, I guess. No face cam today, Beast. I want to have it, because I think I'm going to try to put the game in full scale mode. In full scale mode this time. No face cam, but I can turn it back on if we want the face cam, you know. And I got the mic very close to my face now, so close. We're gonna tweet a link. We're gonna tweet the link out. So we got everything's going. Everything's going. So from the preliminary testing I've done, the tutorial project seems to run fine, but I don't know. That's why we're here with you guys. I will probably add to the download. So I just added it to the description. What a day. I'm gonna do add the hashtag Unreal Engine UE4 GameDev GameLift and multiplayer as usual. Maybe testing as well, why not? All right, so we're good. Think. Nothing's crashed yet. But things will crash. And when things crash, we will be prepared. This is crazy. I've never done so much preparation for testing. Even spanning back the days of Fortnite clone, we have never done this much preparation. But yeah, let me know when you guys have finished downloading. If you guys have... Yes, Leo, absolutely. We're basically just testing the servers, GameLift. Did I do something stupid? Yeah, so the reason why, for anyone who's interested in why it took me so long to start testing for today, the reason is because this morning, sometimes when the players would join the game session would terminate early, and I realized the reason for that is because it would take more than 10 seconds to join a game session. Now, normally, I only had that check because if there's no players in a game session for a certain amount of time, I want to clean it up by terminating it. Problem is, it takes time for players to join the game. So, also, just a note, the Google sign-in will not work unless you have an account that is relatively new, so made this year. So for now, just use the Cognito sign-in. You're probably going to have to sign up. It's fine. It'll still work. And I can't get your password, so don't worry about that. That's just a feature in Cognito. So I am super excited. We are recording right now. So a big thing I want to do is I want to record. Doc, how do I fix my how to hide the dock? I want to hide this Windows desktop thingy. How to hide the taskbar? But yeah, I am excited. I think. Because we're going to make this game crash, most likely. Automatically hide the taskbar. I already did that. Oh, I don't have that. Okay. So why doesn't it do it here? Ooh, okay. Perfect. Ooh, that's actually, I actually like that. Maybe I should have done that all the time, to be honest. Yes, pivot. Absolutely, I agree. But this is crazy. We're gonna test this thing. Let me guys know how you guys are on. Let me know what your guys' status is on the download for the client. Links in the description, in the Discord, on Twitter, all that good stuff. I think I might keep it without no taskbar. Actually, I kind of like that. Okay, yeah, I was already seeing before, but that thing is gone. So, also, I want to get rid of. Can I get rid of that old fleet? I have a fleet that's not even running anymore. It's this guy, like just froze. This is gonna be a crazy stream, guys. I promise you. Wrong stream. Beast, are you saying 5 minutes until the download is finished? I feel like there's got to be a way to make the download go faster, in all honesty. Also, if you support the channel, if you don't mind, please turn off your ad block. I would love that. Maybe whitelist us. Up to you guys. Not really a big deal. I understand. Wait, you're in the game? Wait, how many clients do you have open up? Oh, you probably have. Okay, you probably are on here. Thank you, Amelis. Thank you. I've never been this prepared, honestly. I think I'm 5 times prepared for this compared to Fortnite clone. Because only the OGs know, mainly Pivot, the tests for Fortnite clone do not compare to what we're going to do today. Mainly because there's not much to test, if I'm going to be honest with you guys. So, I do want to mention, you guys are going to find this login option with Google. Did my game freeze? Wow, that was quick. Also, another thing. You guys are going to find out that sometimes the web browser widget will just freeze randomly. I apologize in ahead of time. Leo, I will join you in a second. I'm sorry. Amelis, that's okay. Linux is the superior machine anyway. Problem is, thank you, Amelis. I appreciate that. So, I just want to give a heads up. The web browser widget may crash sometimes. That's just the Unreal Engine web browser widget. I don't know why it crashes sometimes. I have nothing to do with the making of the web browser widget, although it's a really good widget. Also, just a note about this web browser widget, it uses a very old version of Chromium, so if you use a newer email or an older email, this sign will not work. So I'm using a email that I literally made just for this. Because if you don't, you're going to see a weird message. Oh. So you'll get to this screen. Yes, these stats are real stats. Up here on the top left, they are pulled from DynamoDB. We're going to join a game. We're going to see if we can find Leo here. We're currently looking for a match. Now, the rule set for this game is we need at least 2 people to join the game. But we need 4 players, as you see on the start of the screen, to start the match. Now, this is pretty cool. So we got some guy here. I think this is my boy Leo. Shout out to Leo. I'm a guess. I've got no idea. See how we're different colors? That signifies we're different teams. That's the beauty of the GameLift matchmaking rule set and configuration. Does all the work for us. But of course, this game will mean nothing because we don't have enough players to actually start the game. Now, the actual logic for this game. There is no actual logic. It's all random. So once we have 4 players in the game, a timer function will start. 2 timer functions will start actually, which I don't know if I'll actually be able to test. One of them is to stop the backfill, right? So right now there is backfill because we need players to join the game. Now I didn't deal with the case where if the backfill ticket expires, but we're going to assume it doesn't because it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes is a pretty long time till expiration. Once there are 4 players in the game though, we will have basically just some random logic that determines a team to win. Again, it's just 50-50. There's no actual game logic. We're literally just testing a connection to the server. We need someone to join because I'm afraid the backfill matchmaking ticket is going to expire. And if that expires, then no one can join the game. But that's okay. No one can join the game. Me and Leo would both have to get out of here, and the game session would then terminate on its own because of the player check that is constantly running right now. I have that player check timer function running 4 times a second. Doesn't seem to be affecting performance that much. I think it's all good. But this is cool. Leo, let me ask you, did you make a Cognito account or were you actually able to successfully log in to your Google account? Because after this game, I may show what I was talking about with the Google account. Look at me. What are you looking at? All right, I'm too excited right now. I think this is really cool because I've been testing by myself like the past few days / week. So it's nice to see some fresh people. Google. Oh, wow. Wait, Leo. Did you make a new account for this? Or were you actually able to use a regular account that you've had for a while? All right, I'm kind of scared. This backfill ticket might actually expire. Yes, Leo, I know we're working on it. We got to go one step at a time. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, Leo. I know the animations are bad. We'll get in the Fortnite clone later. I haven't worked on Fortnite clone in months. I'm sorry, Leo. We will get into it, I promise. And I will probably bug you then. But for now, we just got to test GameLift. I hope you understand. I'm not trying to badmouth you. That's weird. I can't do that for some reason. But yeah, Leo, don't worry about Fortnite clone. We know Fortnite clone is a mess right now. Oh boy, the extraction. Oh, we got 10 minutes. All right, let's just look at the spawn point. I believe these guys will join very soon. We're just going to stare at them. But yes, advanced locomotion animations are coming. We will do it. Promise. Could be legacy permissions, maybe pivot, mivot. I don't know. I turned less secure apps on, or access permission to let less secure apps access your account on. I turned off 2-factor and it didn't work, so I had to make a new email. But again, if that doesn't work for you guys, feel free to make a Cognito account. I haven't had any issue with that. I think I made like 5 accounts. So, and as far as I know, I don't know many people who already have Cognito accounts. So. Pivot, we need you. Beast is looking for a match. So see how Beast can't find the match. So Beast will not be able to find the match unless one other person looks for a match with him. Now, there's two possibilities that can come out. So we have one player currently looking for a match. We have another player who's opening his or trying to extract the files. If he starts looking for a match in time, then two things can happen. Those two players will either join this game, or those two players will join their own game, because we do have right now two processes running, because I kind of anticipated more people, but that's absolutely okay. I hope they join this game. If not, if neither of them join this game, we'll just all quit out and then we'll all join a game at the same time, and I'm pretty sure I'll put us all in the same session. So this session has been going on for wait, what? Oh shoot. No, I think rip. Whatever. I won't restart the stream. I just won't be a baby. I have to sign back in. I'm gonna check the status of the fleet. Of course this happens to me on stream, but you know what? This is such a good day that I'm not gonna do anything about it, so. All right, we are waiting. All right, this game session has been going for like 10 minutes, so I think it's going to expire soon, personally. I think the backfill ticket will expire, unfortunately, so I think we may have to end up quitting out of this game, which is absolutely fine, but... Let me check Dynamo. Look at matchmaking tickets. So yeah, it's kind of weird. So this, or I don't even, what's going on here? So this is the backfill ticket. So we can get every ticket that's greater than this guy. Wow, that's a lot of tickets. So this is Beast probably right now, I think, maybe? Oh. I think Leo left. Leo is gone. Leo is RIP. We have lost Leo. We have lost connection. I think I have to quit this game though, because the backfill is about to end. So I'm gonna actually wait to see what happens when the backfill ticket times out. I want to see what happens, because I don't think I deal with that case. I don't think I really deal with that at the moment. I should probably deal with it here. All good, Pivot. All good. I'm gonna leave this game session because I don't think it's going anywhere. So let's let that quit. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I think Leo is probably someone's with someone right now. I see two people there right now. You left over some dev stuff in the public build. What do you mean, Pivot? So we got two people there. This one's going to get terminated. Okay, yeah, it's been terminated. Wait. This is not going to terminate? I think that's Leo. I think Wait, whoa, what was that? Did anyone see that? That wasn't just me, right? It just went terminated and active. All right. I'm actually gonna RDP into this server real quick because I want to see the matchmaker logs. I want to see what happens when the ticket times out, actually. So I think this is a perfect time to do that. Oh, Pivot. I am sorry about that. Pivot, if you want, could you either tell me shoot. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, Pivot, let's put that in the Discord. I'll put that in the Discord to do's right now, actually. Ooh, not found. Oh, I didn't copy the... Yeah, Beast, I did that. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's true. Again, this is all testing. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah, we're gonna add that all. Let's do that right now. Actually, I'm gonna do that off screen. So we got 25. All right, so we're gonna add, remove editor configs and client dump files from client build and make client build a shipping build. I think the reason why I made it a development build was because I wanted it to I wanted to have logs just in case the client crashed from the fault of the client. But I think it's safe to say that the client is not going to break. That would be very difficult, honestly, so why does my email not work then? What is this? My email doesn't work. All right, I want to see the matchmaker data though, because I'm actually very curious. You guys are still in there, I think, right? Ooh, now there's... Wait, someone's in there. So we got one game session with one player. Okay, I'm joining. Whoever is in a game session by themselves, please join a new game session. Thank you. Wait, no, this one. I am joining back. We'll join back together. I'm looking. Someone's in. Yes, it is Pivot. I'm sorry. That is a good point. Yeah, I didn't... Oh, shoot. Are we in? Someone cancel their matchmaking. I think I'm the only one looking for a match right now. Is anyone else looking for a match? I mean, also, I have no idea what that was in response, so I'm going to be honest with you. Ooh, someone... Ah, darn it. So we have 2 server processes running, so... Yeah, so this is a possibility. We have 2 and 2 and 2 right now. So we have 1 session with 2 people and another session with 2 people. We basically just need 2 more people to join, like either game session. So this guy running for a while. I'm going to open some of the logs because I want to see the matchmaker data. I want to see what the auto backfill ticket looks like. Download, nope. I probably have to get rid of that. Oh, and we're gone. All right. Oh, no, we're not. You're all good, Leo. Pivot, we'll turn that off. We're gonna put that in the to-dos. Currently looking for match. You probably need one other person then, Leo, I think. What do we got here? You should be able to join this guy, though. You should be able to join this game, though. So we have a game with 1 player. Oh, wait, no, that guy left. I don't know what happened to that guy. So I think we need 2 people to join this game. The problem is, though, I think if 2 people look for a match now, it's going to join a new game session. I think. So I'm going to make some more clients. I'm going to make some more dummy clients. We're going to make some dummy clients to help this. Is anyone here? We still have 2 of 4 people. I don't see 2 of 4 people, though. Oh, you're still here. Hold on, Leo. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to make a dummy client to join you. I think this is going to be the only way. Alright, I think, yeah, there's definitely some stream lag right now. A lot of people are searching for tickets, or a lot of people are searching for matches right now. By a lot, I mean 2 people. Alright, from what I saw, so we have the same problem. We got 2 people. We should have 2 people now in a new match. Yeah, Pivot, the web browser widget, I can't do anything about it. It is just naturally very bad. I wish I could do something about it. We will. Leo, I'm coming with the task force right now. I'm gonna make a bunch of dummy accounts. Or I'm gonna sign in with a bunch of dummy accounts. But yeah, Pivot, the web browser widget was not made by me. It was made by Unreal, and it's not that good. It's old. Oh. How did this even join? I don't know how this even joined, but hold on. Beast, I'm gonna leave you. Okay, I know. Okay, so we need one more. Beast, join again. We need one more player. Oh, this is so hard. Yeah, but yeah, we probably do need to join at the same time. We need one more. How did it join with 3 people? I think we need more bodies. Maybe I should have made the request. Maybe I should have made the timeout even bigger. Bigger than 2 minutes. Should I just make another dummy account? I mean, we only need one more person to join. That red guy is me. By the way, red people are cowboys. Beast is looking for a match. Why can't he join? Alright, I think all I've learned is that the GameLift matchmaking system might be a little, garbage. Oh, is the backfill? Let's go to CloudWatch real quick. This is actually helping me debug though a bit. Because at this point, At this point, it says the last auto backfill ticket was succeeded. All right, how about this? All right, so let's all quit. Let's all quit for a bit. Let me store GameLift events in game in DynamoDB. I'm actually very curious. So the last ticket was the backfill ticket. So 3 people. Potential match created. All right. All right. So let's open up a window. Let's all open up a window. Everyone, we got 4 people here, right? We got Leo, Pivot, and Beast. Let's all open up a window, and I'll just wait. I won't, join a game yet. I'll just wait. Let's just wait. I'm gonna wait for you guys to. I'm reading the chat right now. I'm just gonna look at some logs while I wait. So let's just wait. Take our time. Where did it get the match being succeeded? It was this one. EC. Let me know when you guys have logged in. Pivot, I'll wait for you as well. Or are you busy? I'm ready when you are. I might have to go in with 2 clients then at this point. I'm looking for a match. All right, I'll just make 2 clients. Hold on. We'll just make 2 clients. All right, I'm gonna log in now with 2 clients. All right, we're gonna. All right, you guys can join a match whenever. I know there's gonna be some lag, so just join a match now. I'm gonna wait a bit so that you guys have time to receive that. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. I don't understand why it doesn't. Yeah, the backfill just isn't working right now. I think we just need more bodies, honestly. I think I have to. I have to see what's going on. Yeah, see, like, one of them has 1 player. Like, let me. Okay, because there shouldn't be a game session with 1 player. So let me investigate this right now. Matchmaking succeeded. So that's 777. That's the one I'm in. So matchmaking succeeded. What about the one before that? Potential match created. Matchmaking searching. Matchmaking searching. Matchmaking searching. Potential match created. Okay, I think yeah, I'm not really too sure what's going on cuz I don't understand how there's okay, now there's two. What I'm trying to figure out though is how is this working? So backfill got canceled. Let me get all the messages after this guy cuz I feel like things are being skewed right now. Searching. So three people were two people were. Then they found the match. Then the backfill ticket got canceled. I'm trying to figure out how that happened. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm not too sure what's going on right now. None of these are auto backfill tickets. So these tickets weren't canceled because of a API call. They were canceled for some other reason and I'm not sure why. So we got two sessions with two people each. I'm trying to figure out why. Okay, so now we got another guy searching. I gotta think though, why is this happening? So we go back to this log group. This is the SNS topic that gets every single message, every single event notification from GameLift. So this message is matchmaking searching, so I'm guessing someone is looking for a match. This is potential match created. Now, the thing is though, yes, it's potential match creating, but I'm not seeing many matchmaking succeeded here. This was canceled. Matchmaking canceled due to duplicate players. That's new. Duplicate players. Duplicate players. What does that even mean? Oh, yeah, Leo, good point. Don't use... Yeah, if you're going to use dummy clients, don't use the same email. Yeah, I had to learn that the hard way. I'm sorry. I should have... that was actually in my list of assumptions. Assumptions. Let's read them actually right now. Assumptions. Good internet. You're not force quitting or crashing the game. You're only running one instance of the game per email/Google account at a time. And you don't get hacked. Those are my 4 assumptions. But you know what the weird thing is, though? That canceled the backfill. So I have to think about that because so that's why, okay, so I don't know if that's been happening a lot, but this ticket is an auto backfill ticket. If it gets canceled, no one can join that game that ticket belongs to. Which is quite odd that a duplicate player can cancel the entire backfill. I was not expecting that. That's really weird. That I feel like that's a flaw because like how would I don't know how to fix that, you know? So we got 2 players. So I think we both have to quit these then because the backfill was canceled, I think, for both of them. All right, guys. So all right. That was my bad. Let's go over the assumptions once again. And this one's going to. All right, assumptions. You have good internet. You are not force quitting or crashing the game. We have to use Alt Enter. I'm sorry, guys. I tried making a quick game button. It just didn't work. Honestly, hold on. I'm going to put that in the to-dos. We're going to add that to the to-dos. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Add a quit game button for the client, but make sure to call the necessary cleanup functions before calling request exit, because that was my problem before and I just didn't want to do it because I was lazy. Okay, so assumptions. Good internet. You're not force quitting the game or crashing it. So don't use Task Manager to quit the game, please. Please use Alt Enter. I know it's annoying. I'm sorry. We're going to work on that. Only running one instance of the game per email/Google account at a time, and don't get hacked. Those are the 4 assumptions. So with that in mind, let's all quit out now. Shane, my man, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Welcome, good sir. Welcome. Okay, so let's just keep that all in mind. 1 email and account per client. We gotta do it. All right, I'm gonna wait till everyone's ready. We can join a game if you guys want. I'm gonna wait for the chat to respond though. But yeah, we just gotta be a little careful. Just gotta be a little careful. In the description. Shane, thank you. Thank you. Here you go. We honestly just need bodies at this point, I feel like. I have logged in. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for everyone to get ready and we'll try to join at the same time. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely expecting some more people, but that's okay. I don't really discriminate, you know. We do not discriminate. Let's wait for Shane. I agree, Leo. That is an absolute great idea. All right, let's talk about life. But yeah, I forgot that is a great. Yeah, so, okay, so that makes sense now. So, just to explain it once again, since we got time, the auto backfill tickets. So, the auto backfill tickets get made once a successful match is made. So, in this case, it requires a minimum of 2 people. The game doesn't actually start till we have 4 people. Shane, if your Google account is older, log in with make a Cognito account really quick. I'm sorry, man. Or if you have a newer Gmail, then please use a use that. Yeah. I'm sorry. Unreal Engine use a very old version of Chrome. I don't know why. They should they should upgrade it, but I don't know why. It's a GitHub issue. I don't think it'll ever get fixed, so I don't understand why that is, to be honest. That's actually why I added the Cognito option, because I knew I couldn't. I tried fixing the Google sign-in option yesterday, but it just didn't work. But yeah, the auto backfill ticket was just getting canceled, and I don't know why. And that's the only way new players can join a game. So very interesting. I don't understand how duplicate players could cause that. I'm actually very curious now. But yeah, that's Leo, thank you very much, because honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with that, but that's definitely very important. So yeah, let's wait for Shane. Pivot. I just wanna There are a lot of hang issues. I'm not gonna lie. Um I just don't know what I can do about it. Cause I think you're probably referring to the login page. Alright, Shane's in. Alright. Uh But yeah, Pivot. Honestly, it's really just a web browser widget. I don't know what we can really do about that. It might not be in our capabilities. I think it's bad. I don't like how bad the web browser widget is. I mean, again, if you watch past streams, it's always been bad. Like, I just don't know why that is. We are waiting for Beast. All right, we only have 3. We can't start without 4. New Gmail accounts also have random perms, I think. Yeah, Pivot. I don't know why that. Pivot. I tried doing the same thing, but if you could honestly figure out the apps, what was it? The what Shane post? Oh, Shane retracted it, but it was basically what Shane said about how like this app is secure. Like you can't trust it. All right, let's all join on 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, we are looking for a match. Can we get a match? That's the question. Do we have 4 people? Oh my goodness, I have no idea. I feel like this is gonna fail really badly. I'm not. Ooh, what just happened? All right, something happened. I don't know what just happened. I think matchmaking failed. We got a new ticket now. All right, I don't know how Beast got in because, yeah, that failed epically. What just happened? Game session error. What? The game session null was not found or was in a state which would accept new player sessions. Alright, sorry guys. If you don't mind, could you guys leave that game? Let's try to debug that. What? You guys are in, but the game session like just just ripped. I wonder if the I think you guys have to leave the game. I think something went wrong with that game session. You guys have to leave that game because a game session was never made, and I don't know why. Something shut that game down. I think honestly, what happened was I think we all took too long to join the game because of like the. All right, thank you, Shane. Yeah, I think that time I think the game session something went wrong. It just failed. All right, we'll look in this one. We'll look into that one. All right, just wait. I guess let's just wait. Let's try to do that again. Let's try to all join at the same time. Look into error. Very, very odd. Um, Pivot, that's even weirder. Thank God we have the cognito option. All right. Let me know when you guys are ready. Sorry about that. That is really weird. The matchmaking failed. I think okay, here's what happened I think cuz this happened to me when I was testing earlier. No, so Shane, this is I think what's happening. So cuz I experienced this sort of earlier. So I have a function cuz I wanted to clean up game sessions, right? So I have a timer function in the server build called check player count. I check every 4 times a second if I check 4 times a second if there are 0 players in the game. And after 30 seconds of no one in the game, I quit. I I destroy the game session. I think sometimes because we have multiple people joining the game with different player skills and different bandwidths, I think what's happening is it will take longer than 30 seconds for people to join a game sometime, especially considering the fact that I have a generated um, certificate for this build. So I think I need to just get rid of this. I think for the tutorial, I think I'm just not going to care about recycling game sessions. Okay. Um, all right, we're going to try joining again. I think this function is the problem. But the lambda function memory thing, Shane, is a good possibility. I did think about that. There were times, actually, I did, in fact, run out of memory. In the lambda function, I believe Amillis was probably there because Amillis was there everywhere. All right, we're gonna wait for Shane. We're all gonna try joining once again. Because I think, again, what's going on is it's definitely taking longer than 30 seconds to join a game session. Now, the solution I'm thinking is if we don't recycle game sessions, then I gotta make a new match. Okay. Let's all join on 3. We'll join again. So I think what I have to do then, I think I just gotta suck it up and just keep game sessions active. Even though the problem is like GameLift charges you hourly, or sorry, by I think actually even the minute by how active the game sessions are. So, um, woo! We got it. it. All right, but anyway, I think my hypothesis still stands. Yes, we made it. And I didn't even have to make any dummy clients. Woohoo! So yeah, see, backfill ended. No one can join this game now. So, like, at this point, like, you know, you got some game logic, right? Let's say you have, like, actual game logic. The game's been going on for a certain amount of time. You don't need people to join the game anymore. You just play it out for the rest of the game. I lost. Oh. So, that was pretty quick. So, um... all right, let's try, you guys want to try again? It only took an hour, guys, to get that going. All right, so let's wait for Shane. All right. But yeah, I think that timer function is the issue, so I gotta put it to do for that, honestly. Shane, you ready, good sir? I know I'm bugging you, but again, this is actually really time sensitive because of that stupid timer function. All right, let's go again on 3. 1, 2. Trace, let's join. Alright, and I was told by my friend Pivot to check the staff chat. Pivot, you are a saint. Hold on one. Ah, no, Shane can't log in. Rip. Pivot, I got you. Hold on. I got you. Ah, shoot. I think that was a rip right there. Oh, wait. We got 4 people. Oh, shoot. I didn't even... Ah, no. I lost again. Wait. Oh, I thought that was rip because Shane couldn't join. Wait. Who joined that match? We had 4 people in there. Alright. Someone was in that match. There was a 4th person. I lost. And I didn't even see it because I didn't think Shane joined. I lost twice in a row. This was my OP account with like an amazing win-loss ratio. Shane, that's weird. To make a new account every time? Wow. Really? Wait, Shane. Wait, Shane, let me ask you this. When the game ended, were you redirected? Shane, when the match ended, were you redirected to the login page or were you redirected to the screen that you see now on the stream with the wins, losses, and the join game button? All right, also, I'm going to add some more to-dos. Try using update game session data to refresh matchmaking tickets. And also remove the check player count timer function because it just isn't good. So that's 31. 32 would probably be, so look into why people sometimes have to make new Cognito accounts. Login. Beast or Leo, are you guys having the same issue? Okay, I have to look into that. So I'm even gonna make a new post for this. So 33, look into why sometimes after a game ends, the player is redirected to the login screen instead of the wins losses menu. Happens with Cognito accounts. Huh. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna log out. Let me try a Cognito account because I want to see if that happens with me. So I'm gonna log in with Cognito. Ooh, wait. My account isn't working either. Oh, no. Okay, no, I logged in. I have one win on this account. All right. Let's join a game on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I want to see what happens this time. I'm very, very curious. Will this work? That is the question. 2 people. Got 2 people. Yeah, I don't think we got everyone in. Let's look at Cognito. Or sorry, DynamoDB. 72 items. Oh wait, we got game has started. Oh shoot, people have joined. Alright, I am now logged into a Cognito account. Look at these guys. I'm now in a Cognito account. Let's see what happens after this game ends. Here's to see. Alright, Shane, I don't know how, but I was able to go back to the main menu. So that's interesting. I will try my best to look into that, but that did not happen to me. Maybe it's I won. I think it was the Cognito account. But all right, that's good. I was in a game. Shane, did you get redirected back to login? Okay, we're good. Maybe it was a hiccup. Maybe it was a hiccup. Nice. Okay. Um do you guys want to keep going? Do you guys want to talk about like how what's going on, like how this is working? Um More bugs to report. I'm thinking right now we could keep doing this. I know one big thing I'm going to do because we got pivot on the logs right now. I think I'm going to eventually want just one other person in the game. Maybe at the end when we're done, maybe when people have to go, just have one other person. We're both going to sit in a game for like 10 minutes because I want to see the matchmaker uh, updates in the logs because I want to see what we can do. Because I'm thinking the plan, I'm going to shift to keeping a game session active pretty much forever. I know GameLift's gonna charge me a lot, but at this point, I don't really know like a good way to do this realistically without doing that. I don't know like a good way to quote unquote clean up game sessions, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's just something I want to think about. Because I think the yeah, I just think because sometimes you just don't know with all like the bandwidth issues and stuff. Like it takes time for people to join the game. Also, it takes time for flex match to make the match too, because like sometimes, again, we have rules to kind of all good chain, all good, all good. Because it yeah, because we have so many rules. Thank you for your service as well, Leia. Cause yeah, there's just so many rules, right? Or there can be so many rules. Like right now, it's just a player skill, kind of trying to make sure the teams have even player skills on average. But it can take time. So I don't know like a good way of cleaning up empty game sessions at this moment in time. Like I'm thinking, you just gotta have them run forever. Um, yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to do about that. Maybe I can go on the forum post. Beast, are you still here? If not, I can just because we got pivot on the logs. Um, um, thank you, Beast. Beast, do you want to just help me test one more thing? Thank you, Beast. So open up the game. Could you just join a game? It should be us two at this point. I just need one of you guys for this, I think. I think we're just gonna look at the logs now. Pivots on the logs. So I just need someone to have the client open for like 10 minutes while in a game. Because if the client's in a game, then we're just testing like what the how we can refresh the backfill ticket because at this point I have no idea. Back okay. Yeah, pivot because the reason is because those auth issues are happening on the client. And I don't know why. All right, let's so Beast, just stay here for 10 minutes. We're just going to look at the logs. I want to see what happens when the auto backfill matchmaking ticket expires. So it's going to be about 10 minutes. So let's wait 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's look up some stuff about cleaning up game sessions. Billing versus empty game sessions. Ooh, that's exactly what I want to know. Hmm. Okay, I gotta read this because this is a great question. This is exactly what I need to research about. But yeah, thank you, Beast. So we can talk about life right now. Pivot is on the logs. Yeah, so pivot I will give you an update on what you should look at. I would say all right, after this though, I want to try testing the server's logic to kick a player. And then after that, we're going to try testing what happens when an unauthorized player tries to join the server. Yeah, because, like, it's kind of weird. Oh. Thank you, Pivot. I'm very curious to see if there are any useful client GameLift logs because I hate to say it, but I think all the useful information is gonna be on the server. I hate saying that because like that's the worst part. The server is like the most annoying part to debug. Like that's the problem. So yeah, it needs to be tested. So yeah, I don't know what he means by auto scaling though. Beast, I think we're just gonna Beast. I think it'll just be for the server logs. Um I think that's what Pivot meant to do. Oh wait, never mind. Never mind. Disregard that. Pivot. I just want to give you a heads up on the client. I believe there will only be just one log. Oh wait, no, actually, there's hell of a lot of logs here. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Pivot knows what he's doing. Pivot knows what he's doing. I do not. Um. No one likes paying for things they don't use, and server capacity is no different. Typical. That's what I have, but like, how long should I make it then? Like, should make it like, Should I make it like 5 minutes or something? Like, how long do I make it? Alright, so has it been 10 minutes yet? Alright, 6 minutes. 3.5 more minutes, beast. Yeah, because I'm trying to think, like, that's what I have right now. So Mr. GameLift is suggesting... Wait, Pivot, you made the GameLift log submissions channel, like, private. Like, it's only you, me, and legit. I don't know if that's what you meant to do, but I just want to let you know. Yeah, so Mr. GameLift is saying if you don't want your game server running for long periods of time with no players connected to it, what you could do is set up a timer on your game server. If it detects no player connections within a certain period of time, it could call process ending, which would then shut down the game and free up the game slot for potentially another new game session. Man, I'm going to get billed hard for this. I just realized that. I could really use that Amazon Game Tech sponsorship right now. That is for sure. Maybe I should turn off full protection. Thank you, Pivot. All right. So we got 8 minutes. So about maybe like 2 more minutes. Yeah, I gotta see what to do. Scale down policy. I'm gonna look at all of these links because like a lot of these are really important. Cause like I don't want to have like empty game sessions, you know, guys. Like it's just gonna waste a bunch of money. All right. So we got two players. I think I might start looking at the logs myself. Oh, okay. Yeah, Pivot. I'm praying to God that you're looking at the logs right now, because I hope we didn't just spend 10 minutes like not doing anything for nothing. So. Yeah, that's gonna be the key. I do think this was a good test session, though. That is definitely for sure. Should be coming up. Should be coming up. Very, very, very soon. Really? Nothing? No, that sucks. Wait, let me see if the thing even updated here. It didn't time out, yeah. Don't worry, Pivot. This ticket did not time out yet. Surprisingly. That should have timed out. I don't know how that didn't time out. I don't think this will ever will time out. Alright, I'm gonna give it like maybe 5 more minutes. I think maybe the auto backfill ticket just doesn't time out. We're gonna add to daily goals. Figure out when matchmaking tickets for backfill timeout, and if they do successfully fulfill, if a player leaves after that, is backfill turned back on. Very odd. Very odd. Very, very odd. Okay, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I just don't think this is gonna time out. We're at... Alright, I'm gonna wait like 1-2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna try the other things on my checklist. Alright, I'm gonna try something else. We're gonna try joining a game session while unauthorized. See if this works. Alright, so... Nope, backfill tickets still didn't expire, so we're going to get into... Alright, let's open level this, guys. So we're just going to literally do open 7778. Alright, that's not good. I should have been kicked out. This guy shouldn't be here. Yeah, he's clearly in the game. That shouldn't have worked. Kick function does not work. Can confirm. I'm checking with Mr. Pivot to figure out what is going on. So how does this even work? Yeah, I don't have a team, obviously. Very weird. Yeah, talking with Pivot about logs right now. These are some crazy logs. Crazy, crazy logs right now. Alright, we're trying to test GameLift's functionality of kicking a player out of a game. So, for example, if you call open level without passing in, like, a player session ID that GameLift uses to authenticate the player, you should not be able to join that game. Did that ticket expire yet? Wow, it still hasn't expired yet. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, I think Beast left. I'm very curious to see how that affects the matchmaking. Okay, I think this was a good stream. I'm just waiting for Pivot to get back to me, and I think that'll probably be it for today. No, Beast, you're good. You're good. I don't think it's even possible. Oh wait, no, actually no, it should be possible. You actually should be able to join back because the backfill ticket hasn't been canceled. So. How has the ticket not been updated though? That's what I want to know. The matchmaker ticket should at least be updated. Was it not updated at least? 426. Yeah, this is the auto backfill one. Is that it? Okay. Oh, okay. We got some new tickets. Oh, okay. I see. All right. Did Okay, so here's what happens. I have no idea why this happens, but for some reason Beast, what you just did actually gave me a lot of information. So Beast, when you tried joining back, the backfill ticket canceled, and the reasoning was because of this. Matchmaking canceled due to duplicate players and tickets. So I don't know why, but when a player tries to join back to the game he or she just left, it cancels the backfill. I don't know why that is. Tries to join back the game he/she just left. The auto backfill ticket just gets canceled. So I don't know why that is, but Beast, thank you. That actually helped me a lot. So that's one thing. Now, the question becomes, how do I fix that? Because I don't really have a good way to fix that. So that's the backfill ticket. This is one of the searching ones. 4B starts with 4, ends in B, right? Oh wait, no, this is potential match created. So yeah, starts with 4, ends in B, and we have starts with 5, ends in 3. So we got 4B53. 4B53. But you made a completely new ticket. Yeah, see. Yours started with 8. Your new ticket started with 8 and ends in 2. Yeah, so I don't know how to really deal with that right now, to be quite honest. Olajax13. I'm gonna Google Translate that because I don't know what that means. Oh, Gideon Peña. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Alright, I think that might be it for today's stream. I have quite a bit to look at. I have a lot of research to do. I guess the tutorials are actually even a lot farther than I thought away from done. There's a lot more to-dos now in the daily goals. So I gotta look at that stuff. Is there anything else I need to test? Check if backfill ticket actually gets canceled. Yeah, stuff I can do on my own. Yeah, I gotta look into a lot of stuff. So, I would say to everyone who watched the stream, I mean, this was honestly meant to be a short stream anyway. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna do more research on my own. Again, I don't know. There's a lot we need to do, so yeah. Take care. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Beast, Leo, Pivot, Jack13, Shane, and I believe that's it. Sorry if I'm missing it. Oh, and Amilis. Thank you to him for dropping by. All right. Thank you guys. Have a great day.